Hi everyone, welcome to day 41 of my 50 days SQL challenge series where I solve data analyst and business analyst interview question for SQL. Today we'll be solving one of the IBM data analyst interview question. So the question is from hard category. So let's see the questions. IBM is working on new features to analyze user purchasing behavior for all Fridays in the first quarter of the year. For each Friday, separately calculate the average amount user have spent per order. The output should contain the week number of that Friday and the average amount spent. Let's see the data that we have. So we have user ID, we have dates, we have amount spent, we have day name. So let's solve these questions. I have created table in pgadmin 4 and inserted this record so that we can solve these questions. So let's start writing our query to solve these questions. So I'm just going to select the week number from this date column using an extract function. So I'm just going to say extract week from date, which is basically this column, and I'm just going to save it called week number. Okay, then I want to check basically the average for each week, average sale, which is amount spent by user, which for each week. So I'm just going to say amount spent. Okay, so I'm just going to select the data which is from this table name, and I'm just going to do a group by one, which means group by this week number. So I can see each week and the average spent by the users. Now I need to basically do some filter to ensure the data that I'm selecting only for the first quarter and year 2023 and the data only for each Friday. So I can go ahead and say where, and where I can just use again extract functions on this date column to select the data for 2023. So I can go ahead and say extract. So extract, this time I can use that extract year from date and I can compare it with basically 2023. And now I can use one more extract functions. Okay, so this time I'm going to basically extract it the quarter, and I'm just going to compare it with first quarter, which is extract quarter, and I'm just going to compare it with 1. So I need to add an AND logic to ensure both the conditions are fulfilled. Now I'm going to basically filter the data only for Friday. So I'm going to again use extract functions, and this time I'm going to use basically DOW, that means day of the week. So DOW, so that basically select the day number from the week. So now Friday is basically 5, so I'm going to select as 5. Now I'm just going to use AND logic to basically select this condition as well, this condition as well, this condition as well. So all this condition will ensure that the data I'm getting, which is basically for each week and their average sale only for Friday, and that is for the first quarter of 2023. So let's just quickly run it and let's see if in case I'm doing some mistakes. So there is some mistake in the from, so I missed a comma here, so I'm just going to select the comma and let's just run it again, and we will see the answer. You can see each week number and their basically average sale. This is not for the whole week average sale, this is only for one particular day, which is basically Friday. Now if I just make this line as a comment, now you will see this sale amount will increase. So basically each week and the average sale is much higher. You can see now I was only basically, the objective was to only find the sale for one day, which is Friday, for each week, and that is for the first quarter. That's the reason I have used basically all these 3 functions. Now you can see the sale for basically each week Friday and their basically average spend by each user. So I can just give a nice name called as average spend Friday. Okay, so each Friday and the average spend by each user, that is for first quarter 2023. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you really like my content, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to practice the same questions, check the video descriptions. I have added my GitHub link. Download the data, copy paste into your pgadmin 4, and you can basically solve the same questions. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.